Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we will reviewing the QYT mobile radio KT8900D. Okay, and we will install it on my car. Okay, let's start doing. Let's see what inside the radio. Inside the box, rather. Manual. In English. Okay, the manual is in English. So, the radio itself. With auxiliary fan. For the data, the headset, the power cord. Okay. Made in China. 25 watts, dual band. Quad display. Okay. Put that here. Bracket and the mic. Okay, wait. PTT button, keypad. Okay, and the accessories. And car power supply. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have the power cable. Okay. This. We will plug this to the cigarette plug. Okay, before you turn it on, let's put our aerial antenna. It's in outside. Okay. Okay, that's it. On the other side. Okay. So let's put the mic first. Okay. Then let's start the engine. Check for the neutral. Then okay. To power this unit, just press. I think this one. No. Oh, too loud. So this is the volume. Focus. Okay, we're going to test. So this is my little handheld radio, Baopeng UB82. Let's hear it. Radio check. Radio check. Radio check. Now we're on UHF. So from handheld to mobile, now we're going to mobile to handheld. Radio check. Radio check. Okay. Power long press for the power. It's the volume. Monitor. Okay, FM. Okay, so this is for selection. Which display do you want? A, B, C. You can choose for UHF, for VHF, or anyone. VHF, UHF, UHF. This is the call. Okay, so we will put to this. When you put this channel, local, so the memory and BFO. Okay, we're in BFO mode. You can use keypad for choosing frequency. So 14400. Oh, and you can choose UHF for 00000. Exit or 1. You can choose 430000. 0.